Hey everyone, it's your friend Maximus and welcome back to Roblox. And as you may see, I'm playing Bee Swarm Simulator. So let's read. Tutorial, welcome. Welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator. In this game, you collect pollen from flowers and make honey. But you don't do it all alone. You are the leader of your own personal swarm of bees. The hatch bees walk up to unclaimed honeycomb and press claim hive. Okay, I don't need to know all of this. 36 slides. I'll just figure it out on my own then. So what should we do? We go here? Yeah, let's stay here. Whee! Eat claim hive. Okay, open an egg. So here's the egg thing. Let's open it and let's put it here. Hatch. Basic bee. You hatched a basic bee. Let's go and collect some pollen. Or else let's go to this bear. He's black bear, he looks. What do you want to do? Talk to black bear. His name is actually Black Bear. Hi, I'm Black Bear. You look like a promising new honey maker. I happen to be a honey connoisseur. That means I know a lot about honey. And if you're willing to go through my training, you'll be making tons of honey in no time. First off, collect 100 pollen from the sunflower field. So, quest, I have a quest. Quest, wow. Sunflower, this looks like sunflower. Ooh. Collect! Yeah. And how do you actually collect? You just press. You have to just press. You cannot just move around. You cannot move around? Seriously? You have to just... Oh, you have to just stay pressing space. Okay, space, 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 space. You know what? I'll just fill up the whole bag. So then I may have 100 and then I just put all of them in place. So that's fun. +2 all the time. +2. 182, 186, 190. Yeah. Boom. So, hello, Black Bear. Nice job. Here's a reward. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another quest. +200 honey. Okay, nice. Pretty decent. 200 honey, and what do you do actually with them? You eat them, you convert it to the beehive. I don't know. I want to eat myself. Come on. Oh, this is not mine. Sorry, Ella. Oh, make honey. Okay, I just mixed up my hive. Okay, +80. Come on, bee. This is so hard. For now, let's go on and just explore the place for now. To make honey, collect pollen from flower fields. We have 400. And what is this over here? It's like something. Eggs. What? Open shop. 1000 honey. An ordinary bee egg usually hatches into a basic bee. Of course. What do we do now? Let's explore a little the place. Oh, no. There's a bug. What do you do? Is it going to kill me actually? What do I do? Oh no, it's killing me. Whoa. So the bees defeat the type of animals? What? I did not know that because I'm just new. This is like parkour. Parkour! No! There's something up there. I may see it. Like, give me a sec. I'll just handle this parkour. It seems pretty easy. Look, what is that? It's with a rear and it's with a crown. Oh! We know! The last one, come on! How hard is this? I think we're going to just spend the whole video here. No! Until I just focus. focus. Yee. Run! Yeah, I did not jump. Okay. Hard. So by collecting honey. Yes, B, you collect honey until I just finish this parkour. Okay? Whee! I'm not jumping, okay? I'll leave that for later, for now. What's this here? 5? Why is it red? You need 5 bees to pass. Can't. No, you cannot. Oh, I need 5 bees, okay. Let's just go and continue. Parkour! Or else I'll just go and get another quest, actually. Quests are fun. For the black bear, I think he loves quests. Why am I not jumping? I think I'm just not too focused. Probably. I don't think so. Whee! Come on, I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. The 1 millionth time I lost count. So wait, it's 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4, 5. Oh, this is the 6th one. Come on. No, I'm not making it. How am I not making it? Come on. Go. 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 Come on. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yes! What is this? You found a royal jelly, and what is a royal jelly? Let me see. What is here? Eggs, items. Royal jelly. Transforms a bee into a random rare, epic, or legendary. Whoa! Oh, I want to change my basic bee. I don't want basic bees. Who would like basic? Hey, what you doing here? What are you doing? Okay, I'll make my honey, but I'll change it probably. I want to see. Change. Transform. Cool bee. Blue rare. Okay, nice. And let's go for another quest from the black bear. Probably. Yeah, let's go. We're just having fun here. Talk to black bear. The pollen from each field produces slightly different honey. Most people can't tell the difference, but I can. That's why I love it here. There's such a variety of flower patches. Each field is different. Sunflowers, mushrooms, clovers. But today I've got a hankering for dandelion flavored honey. Why don't you collect some pollen from the dandelion field? 250 should be enough. Okay. Okay, quest man or quest bear. 250. Is this dandelion? Dandelion? Oh yes, okay. Learning. I would like to have some boots. Ooh, boots. Continue. Ooh, yeah. Come on. Ooh, what is that? It's like a powerful thing. Am I right? Come on, 111. How is that before me? Oh, I think that because the oh, I think it's the same. Oh no, I cannot collect 250. No. No. How do I do it? Do I have to like upgrade my bag? I don't know. Come on, make the honey. Make. Oh, it saves it probably. So that's enough. I'll put it back again. So come on, 208. Yeah. 220, 230. Yes, level 2. Whoa. Now let's go to the black bear probably. Yay! Hello, black bear. Those dandelions have grown out of control, haven't they? It's kind of hard to tackle the weeds without hurting the flowers. I figured it's best to just leave them be. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another quest. 400, 1083. Perfect. Oh, I may see a shop over there. So there's not only one egg shop. Wow, this man has a lot. Hello. His name is Noob Bear. Eat open shop. 0 honey. 650. Okay. 5,000. What? So we may choose your. Oh no. Whoa! What was that back there? 5-player 2 movement. I would rather buy nothing for now. We're not that rich for now. These quests are incredible. Come on, let's put the pollen back. May I feed you? What? I'll feed you a treat. You've been a good cool boy. 132 and a strawberry. I'll give you an obvious strawberry. Strawberry. Cool bee. So you're ready. We may buy another egg. What? These are codes. What's this here? Oh, basic bee. Oh, there are the shops. No cheating here. 1,000. Should we buy it? Write it in the comment below. Should I buy this basic egg? Well, I think I should. Yeah. Let's go and hatch our basic bee. Basic, where are you? I'm here. Dragon egg. No eggs. Where's my egg? I did not buy it. What? It's impossible. Eat open. Come on, buy. Yes, I'll buy it. Okay. Next one is 2,500. Good. Colby, you're having your friend now. You're having a very good basic friend. Let's make it here. Yeah. Look, Herbie! What? So good. So good. Okay. Well, I'll finish this here. Well, guys, that's it for Roblox Bee Swarm Simulator. If you want to see more, then click the like button. Let's make this one 215 likes too. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. And then I'll see you in the next one. Good line.